Let's review page 2 of your assignment. We've got one triangle that has an area of 2x squared minus 16x minus 31, and apparently it's the same as the triangle given to us here. So we're going to make an equation out of that. So we're going to say, 2x squared minus 16x minus 31 equals 1/2 times our base, which is 2x, times our height, which is x plus 14. And then we want to find the height of the triangle we're given. So let's simplify that. So 2x squared minus 16x plus 31. Come on, 31. Equals, well, half of 2 is 1, so x times x plus 14, or 2x squared minus 16x plus 31 equals x squared plus 14x. Now what I want to do is I want to move everything on the left. I want to make it equal to 0 so I can factor it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract x squared from both sides. 2x squared minus x squared, well, that's x squared. And then I'll subtract 14x from both sides. I'll get negative 30x plus 31 equals 0. So now I can factor that. That'll be x plus 1 and x minus 31. Let's try that again. That's not right. It has to add, has to multiply to 31. Are you kidding me, man? Oh, it's wrong because I just noticed I miscopied the problem. Sorry about that. It's minus 31. There we go. Now that makes sense. So I'll get x minus 31 times x plus 1. Because there's only two numbers that multiply to 31 because it's prime. So in other words, x minus 31 equals 0, or x plus 1 equals 0. Well, if I add 31 to both sides, I get x equals 31. If I subtract 1 from both sides, x would be negative 1. Although they didn't ask us to find the base, negative 1 would be incorrect for the base. So we throw that one out. And don't stop here because we want to find the height of the triangle. So it'd be 31 plus 14. That's 45. And that's our answer. 45 what? Inches. Okay, finally, let's take a look at question 24. Aubrey says that the graphs can be represented by the same quadratic function because they have the same 0. Sorry, Aubrey, you're wrong. They do have the same solutions, but their a values are going to be different because this one will have a positive a value because it's a happy parabola. This one will have a negative a value because it's a sad parabola. And that's why Abu is incorrect.